So now let's talk about the combine tool. So combine tool works on a multi-body part, which means a part with several bodies. Now here I have, well, a part containing 4 different bodies. So we've got this extrusion, this one, third, fourth. So we have got 4 of these. Now using combine, you can merge several bodies into one, or you can remove one body from another, or you can even make an intersection of several bodies. Now to explain this thing clearly, I will start with the combine tool using bodies directly. So I'll select this boss extrude feature 1 and then boss extrude feature 2. Now these two, as you can see, are 2 separate bodies. Now I'll select them both, right click, and I'll select combine. So in this case, here we are, right click and select combine. Okay, so we have 3 options here: add, subtract, and common. Using add option, you can merge both of these bodies into one. Let's do that for now. So I'll select add and okay, there we are. Now these two are merged into one single body, and that single body is here, the combine one. Now it will work like a single body. Okay, but that's not what we actually want here. So I'll just press Ctrl Z to get back to the original drawing. Now again, let's try this combine feature. So I'll select the first one and the second extrusion, and here again I'll use the combine tool. So right click, combine. Now instead of selecting add, I will select common. I'm not going to select subtract for now. Let's select common. Now when you select common, SolidWorks will only keep the common part from your selection. So in this case, these 2 objects share some common area which SolidWorks will keep. Now if you want to see that common area, click on show preview and you're gonna get the preview of what you will get here. Now this kind of profile is really very difficult to make without using this common feature. Now this is a combination of the vertical extrusion and that horizontal extrusion as well. So if you look at this part from this view, you are going to see, well, the horizontal extrusion. If you look at from top, you're going to see the vertical extrusion. So it's a combination of both of these. So let's just click OK, and this is what we are going to get, a combination of both these parts. Okay, so that's combine. Now let's try combine on this body here. Now it looks like this is just a combination of 2 different cylinders, but it's different. Let me show you why it's different. And for that, I will go to this boss extrude 3 and this revolve 1. Now right click and select combine. Now in this case, I'll select subtract. Now once you select subtract, you will get one extra option here, which is the main body option. Now main body is the body which SolidWorks will keep, and the second body is the one which SolidWorks will subtract. So in this case, I will select this outer cylinder as the main body. So here main body is selected. Let's just select this cylinder. That's the green one. Now in the bodies to subtract, revolve 1 is selected, which is this cyan colored this part here. Okay, so these 2 are now selected and these 2 are separate bodies, of course. Let's click show preview and this is what we are going to get. So this will kind of cut a groove inside this. So it is basically removing this body 2 from body 1. It is subtracting body 2 from body 1 to just reach this kind of shape. So now I'll click OK, and this is what we are going to get. So that's the subtract feature. Now once again, this will only work when you have multi-body parts where we have several bodies. These are not going to work on multiple features. Now if you want to access the same set of feature, not from this body folder, but from somewhere else, maybe from the menu or the command manager, then that's here. Let me just press Ctrl Z just a couple of times so that we are back to this, and let's just try it quickly using the menu. So I'll go to insert, feature, and right here we have combine. Select combine tool, we have add, subtract, common, and you can use any of these now. So here I'll maybe select common directly. I'll select the 2 bodies right from here and then click OK. There we are, the combined body. In a similar way, you can use the same feature from this insert tool, and you can just apply it here as well. So go to subtract, main body is this outer cylinder, and bodies to subtract is this one, and just click OK. There we are. So that's the combine tool.